My name's Dez, and this is the Weekend Edition. The Weekend Edition is good through, this time, Monday, May 26, 2014. This will be a 3-day weekend. Short week next week, with Monday being off here in the U.S., and we are taking the day off for Memorial Day. This is a time where we reflect on those who've given their lives for our country. Thank you, and we honor each and every one of you who have done so and those who serve currently and in the past. Taking a look here at the markets for the first time ever. The S&P 500 closes over 1900, a big pop to the upside. This here's the spiders, or the S&P 500 index rather, and we came up here, challenged this swing high, then went to this trend line. All day long we stayed there, and then right in the last hour of the day, we creeped higher than that. Bears were caught. So we had the bears buying to cover, bulls buying to enter. A lot of buying, but I brought up the spiders. I want to show you something on the spiders. We're at a resistance area, but technically just a hair over resistance. So that's pretty bullish if you ask me. But the problem is we're going up on dissipating volume. No volume on this run. There's very little worth of this nice bullish week that we've had due to, or this day due to the weak volume. If you go to the week, same thing for the week, kind of mini-me type volume. However, we do close quite high. Highest close we've ever had on the S&P 500. So look here at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ broke over resistance point, boom, to the upside, closing near the day's high, and it looks like it has some strength to keep going. Here's the Dow, over resistance, boom. Not too bad. Volume, so-so. Russell's falling wedge breakout, boom, to the upside, closing near the day's high, really strong. On the weekly chart, look at this. Big bullish engulfing pattern. I mean, really, really strong. So, quick look here at the banks. We closed over a resistance line. Again, very bullish, very, very strong. This is the weekly chart on the banks, and you have a piercing pattern. Really strong. Look for a bounce. What's interesting here is George Soros. If you remember, not too long ago, he doubled down on his bearish bets, thinking the markets are going to roll over and start crashing. Rumor is he just sold every one of his banking stocks. Isn't that interesting? Anyway, here's the weekly chart on the banks. We have dropped quite a bit the last couple months. Looks like we're going to get a little bit of a bounce here. So that's something we'll be watching for. If you look at the VIX, on Friday we were down over 5.5%. Look at this, a major, major drop. I'm going to go to a weekly chart and go back. You can see, if I were to pull this, catch that low. Follow me here. We're right here at this low. The last time we were at this low would have put us at March 11th, 2013. And then right after that, we went bearish. Actually, a couple weeks after that, we went about the next month or 2 months after that, went very bearish. So we're at a very low point. Here's the monthly chart. Look at the monthly chart. Look at this. For the month, we haven't, I mean, wow, if we close this low, we haven't closed this low. Last time we closed this low was back before the major financial crash in 2007. Gang, this is incredibly low. The fear indicator being at 11.36 right now. 11.36 is just insanely low. When the VIX is low, it's time to go. So, man, I think we're teetering at the highs here, gang. Something to be watching for. I'm going to take a look here at Apple on the daily, big run, going higher, looking good. The weekly broke a resistance point. Look at this, high base, boom, broke it. Amazon was up over 2.5%. There it is, bouncing off the 100-day moving average on the weekly, the 100-week moving average. Nice bounce on the daily. You'll see nice rally to the upside. Amazon's doing well. Facebook was up 1.4%. Google was up 1.5%. Just up and away. LinkedIn broke out last couple days, stalled. Microsoft stalled. Netflix up and away, up 2.7% on Friday. Twitter down over 3%. I almost bought it at this line. See the support area at 30.66. But the more I thought about it, the more in trouble I thought Twitter was in, just fundamentally. And I think that would just be nothing but a guess. And, I'm not in the markets to gamble. I'm in the markets to be the house, play probabilities, and keep those odds in my favor. Didn't fill it with Twitter, so I did not do that. Anyway, but I'm holding a lot of stocks long right now. I did hedge myself today. Let me show you what I did on that hedge. Today during the day, when we got up here to this trend line and we stalled out right there, I hedged myself. So my hedge is underwater a little bit, but it is going to be great to have a 3-day weekend where I could sit tight knowing that I am safe regardless of what happens in the markets. And a couple things. I'm going to do something a little special. We put on a program last night, another one today, and we're going to do another one tomorrow morning. It's Friday when I'm doing this, so that means Saturday morning. Saturday morning we have a program. And I'm letting everybody know at the program that we're doing a special on the 201 courses. But because it's Memorial Day, I'm going to go ahead and run that course or that special for the 201 courses. I'm going to run that through Sunday. So that's yours. If you want to use it, 33% off. Let me show it to you. If you go to the website and you click on the 201s here, it's worth $2,500. This stuff is what we taught. And you'll see that we do Trading Foundation, a bunch of courses in here, technical analysis, 3 big courses. I mean, this is going to take you 6.5 hours worth of deep education, charting, a bunch of different lessons, fundamental analysis, 3 big courses, psychological analysis, 3 big courses. No, in six courses, big on. There's a ton of information. Takes a lot of time to go through. But when you click on it through Sunday, you're going to see we're knocking off $230. That's 33% discount. And we're going to do that for everybody. $466.99 is all you'll owe, and you'll get $2,500 worth of the best trading education out there in a step 2 at 201 course. So anyway, hope you can join us. And again, gang, it's Memorial Day weekend. Remember the reason we celebrate this weekend. Let there be a time of sober remembering of those who've lost their lives. Thank you so much for serving. Thank you for being a part of us. And when it comes to technical analysis, we're going to keep your eyes wide open to the latest and best and to the information that we see on a day-to-day basis here in the markets. So if you want some stock picks to look at this weekend, certainly go to the website, check out our stock picks also. We do have stock picks here, Stock Picks V newsletter, and the 201s, that's what you want to look at. If you would like for us to mentor you, click on that. A lot of information right here. Come check us out. We'll steer you in the right direction. Take care. Safe trading.